So, dynamic indicators. Some people like them, some people don't like them. Sort of like strobe indicators, right? I'm sort of on the fence. I don't know whether I like them or not. Well, I got these in from China, right? And we're going to give a go at fitting them, right? And I'm going to fit them onto the Qashqai. But they're not headlight indicators. They're going to go here on the wing mirrors. So what we'll do is, first of all guys, it's pelting rain outside, so apologies for the noise of the rain on the roof. Can't be helped, Irish weather. But what we're going to do today is, on this video, we're going to fit these onto the Qashqai, because I'm Jim and this is Jim's shed.